Hello everyone, myself Ashita VS. I am currently pursuing MCA in Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. Today I am going to present about online AI shopping with wallet system. Let us see the contents of my presentation. First is introduction, aim, objective, analysis of the system, modules, methodology, algorithm, requirements, advantages, disadvantages, application, conclusion, references. Let us see the introduction. An online shop that has various products needed as per user needs. The system is built to help users in shopping and shop in their behalf. The system takes users' choice and shop on their behalf. The system is proposed to be built on artificial intelligence technique that ensure hassle-free shopping experience for the user. The system also include M-Wallet integration. The integration of both these systems allow user to just enter his choices and the system fetches the best deal for the user within no time. Let us see the aim of the project. The customer can use the wallet money for purchasing product from the store. The customer can add money to the wallet using the various payment methods set by the admin. The admin can set various cashback rules according to the card price or product price. The customer will receive their cashback amount in their wallet account. Objective of the project. Search for my project title and define about my project. First, we need to search the project title and we have to define about the project. Planning about the project, do work breakdown structure, network diagram and Gantt chart. And then we will search the lecture and paper for the project. After searching the lecture and paper for the project, we have to search for the method for the project and compare the methods. And at the end, we have to review all the projects. Analysis of the system. We have two systems, existing system and proposed system. Let us see the analysis of the existing system. We have know that most of the cities consist of supermarkets and hypermarkets. Every supermarket employs shopping trolley in order to aid customers to select the product which they intend to purchase. The customer have to drop every product which they wish to purchase into the shopping cart and then proceed to checkout at the billing counter. At billing counter, customer may face many problems like waiting and they don't know even they have sufficient money for the product they purchase. The billing process at the counter is the time consuming and also need more human resources in the billing section. Let us see the analysis of proposed system. The system provides solution to improve the speed of the purchasing and the faster payment option. In this solution, we are using Raspberry Pi barcode scanner, Raspberry Pi touch screen display and button were placed approximately in the shopping cart. Each and every product has barcode tag on it. Barcode scanner reads the product information before put into the trolley. When the customer wants to remove the product from the cart, a push button is placed in the cart. Then the customer presses the button and scan the product, then automatically reduce the cost of the product in the total amount and as well as it removed from the cart. Next modules. We have two modules, admin module and user module. Let us see the work of admin module. Admin module first add the training data. After adding the training data, add the product by providing basic details, that is selecting the category of the product and selecting the subcategory of the product. Then you have to manage the new order. Next, you have to update tracking of the order. He have to keep updating the tracking of the orders. Next, you have to view the users. Next, view sales with search by date option. Next, view feedback that is given by the user. Let us see the user module. First, user need to register After registration, he will ask the preferences. When the user logs for the first time in a day, he will be redirected to the cart page where we have already added some product into the cart based on his preferences. Home page. User will show all the available product for sale. He can search, sort, refine the product according to his needs. Recording the user preferences. System will be keeping track of the user's activity, likely which product did he look but not bought it, which category he always looks for, etc. View product description. When the user selects the particular product, the project provides the detail about it. Load the wallet. User need to verify his email account to activate the wallet, and then he can load the wallet using dummy card payment. Checkout. User can check out his cart and pay using dummy card payment portal, or if his wallet is activated, he can pay using the wallet. View order. User can have a look on his previous orders. View order status. User can get to know update upon his current orders. Forgot password. If user forgotten the password, he can recreate the password. Leave the feedback. Methodology. The algorithm in which every operation is uniquely defined is called deterministic algorithms. The algorithm in which every operation may not have unique result, rather there can be specified set of possibilities for every operation. Such algorithms are called non-deterministic algorithm. Non-deterministic means no particular rules is followed to make a guess. Next, working of the system. The online AI shopping with wallet system application is an application that will allow user to shop the product that are present online with great ease. The solution will increase the consumer experience and reduce the shopping time. Algorithm. This is the user module algorithm. Let us see the algorithm. In step 1, user should initiate the application. After initializing, in step 2, user need to register or log into the application. That is, if the user is visiting first time, then he need to register, or else he can directly log in. After login process, user can buy the product or he can search for the product. In step 5, he can find the store locations. In 6, if there is any buying product of his wish, then he can select the store which he want to receive from. After selecting the store in step 8, he can process the payment. After processing the payment, he will receive the product from the store. After that, user can log out. Requirements. Software requirements and hardware requirement. Let us see the software requirement. Windows. We need Windows 7 or higher versions. Backend is Microsoft SQL Server 2008. Frontend Visual Studio 2010. Hardware requirement, that is processor, Core i3 processor is needed. Hard disk is 160 GB, memory is 1 GB RAM and monitor. Let us see the advantages, disadvantages, application of the project. Advantage of the project. Product suggestion based on the user preferences. User can search, sort, refine the product details. Easy of paying through wallet. The disadvantages. System will provide inaccurate result if the data is inserted incorrectly. Requires an active internet connection. Application. This application can be used by all e-commerce websites. Can be used in supermarket or in any retail stores. Conclusion. The smart shopping trolley helps the customer in shopping and buying the product and payment in less time in easy way. By simply scanning the barcode, the customer can pay the bill. Supermarket owner get benefit with respect to the time saving, less manpower and space, which reduce the investment. Artificial intelligence and machine learning based solution can help your retail business to grow. Stay relevant and surpass your competitors in the market. Automated process, better insight for your business, and stronger relationship with the customer will result in increased revenue. Technology has made significant progress over the year to provide consumer a better online shopping experience and will continue to do so for the year to come. With the rapid growth of the product and brands, people have speculated that online shopping will overtake in store shopping. I have referred to IEEE papers to do this presentation. Thank you everyone for watching this video.